Ano pangalan mo?
Ano pangalan mo?
Ha?
Ano pangalan mo?
Ito yung kasamahan ko guys na Nepali but marunong magtagalog. Ini-interview ko lang siya as in I will interview her in Tagalog. We will see if she can speak it well. Okay, anong pangalan mo?
Ano pangalan mo? I don't know, what is that?
You don't know? I'm proud pa naman that you know how to speak Tagalog. Yela, jaldi ka ro. Ano pangalan mo?
I don't know, madam.
To tell the people, no? What is your name?
No.
Yeah.
No, really.
You look quickly, you're beautiful pa naman. Andin.
She kidnapped me here and then I'm crying, guys.
Are you crying? I think you're not crying. You're just only sitting.
I don't know, madam.
Ha?
I don't know Tagalog. Teach me more.
Teach me more ka dyan. Nasaan na yung telepono?
Give me this one, please.
Uy, kay kuya yan.
Give me now.
Ipans kaya muna, der ka?
I don't know.